Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the town of Revelstoke, nestled in the heart of British Columbia. This picturesque community is surrounded by the stunning Selkirk and Monashee mountain ranges, offering breathtaking views and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Revelstoke is known for its rich history, dating back to the late 1800s when it became a key point along the Canadian Pacific Railway. The town's name honors Lord Revelstoke, a British banker whose financial support was crucial in completing the railway. Revelstoke is situated in a valley along the Columbia River, providing a lush and fertile environment. The area is famous for its abundant snowfall, making it a popular destination for skiing and snowboarding. Today, Revelstoke attracts visitors from around the world who come to experience its natural beauty, adventure sports, and vibrant community spirit. Whether you're here to explore the great outdoors, learn about its fascinating history, or simply enjoy the friendly atmosphere, Revelstoke offers something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Revelstoke, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!